So Tapo has this new service, if you have their security cameras, called AiReal, which if it's spelt out and read like a normal person, it's AiReal. And what it is it's AI looking at your security footage and giving you information about it, so that like if you get a delivery, it'll say like, hey, Amazon delivered a package, or a guy wearing blue where he was carrying a package and delivered it, or it'll talk about like what happened in your house for that day. It'll have facial recognition, and it is $199 for the entire year, and it covers unlimited cameras, and it's about $80 more than their regular cloud storage for your security footage. And I hadn't seen any videos about it, and I wanted to give you my honest review about it. They didn't pay me. They didn't give me anything for free. This is everything I did on my own. I have a bunch of Tapo cameras, and I want to tell you about it, if it's worth it or not, and if I like it and I think it's cool. So when you go into your Tapo app, you'll see it at the top. It's this little icon at the top there, the purple and blue. And when you look at this, you can see like what's going on. Like right now it says one of my devices is offline. Smart chime needs attention. So I have 3 of those. I got to go through my house and see which one it is. But it does more than that, like I mentioned. So you can see, tell me what Greg was doing earlier today. So it already gives me suggestions, or at the bottom, I can just type what I want. So I'll just tap on the first one, and it's going to tell me what I did based off what my cameras captured of me. And it says, Greg appeared earlier today in the garage, the kitchen, driveway, and family home at various times. And it even shows me clips of what I can do, and I can see myself doing that. So it's kind of cool that it finds images and videos of me with the security footage throughout the day, and I can check up on myself if I want, or anybody else that I have in there. Tapping that button at the top there also brings me into people I can add and learn more about. So I can capture anybody. A lot of these I already have, but let's just see. You can see I have Michelle on there, and my son, and some other people. I can hit add, and I can choose from photos. I can add people from my photos, or I can add people from my unknown. You can see right here. And there's like the second images of me. So it's not capturing every single image. It's not accurately capturing every single moment that I've been in. Because you can see that's me. I got the shaved head, all of that stuff, and everyone else as well. It's not capturing every single instance of them. But again, it's as easy as just like tapping on this one, which I don't know who that is. I think it's a delivery driver, so I'm not going to add him, but I could do add to familiars, create a new familiar, or add to existing, and type in that person's name. And I can be like, oh, it's a courier or a friend or whatever, and then hit create, and it adds them to my list. So I can go back in here into the AI and basically ask it like about that person. What did they do? Or be specific. Did they grab any packages or anything like that? Also, by tapping that button at the top, you can scroll down a little bit more, and you can check out a video summary. You can have it create a video summary based off the highlight of key moments that it noticed. You can go in and check your AI enabled devices. I have cameras that are a couple years old, and I have some that are new, and all of them are AI enabled, but you can also manage your devices just to make sure you did capture all of them and added them all to it. But I have 7 security cameras, Tapo cameras, I should say, throughout my house, my area. And yeah, you can add them right there. So that's pretty nice and really, really easy. Then we have smart preferences. So you can see, you can tell us what video content interests you, and AiReal will summarize relevant videos to provide insights, daily summary, and notification. So you can type basically anything you want. It even gives you suggestions. So like I put sick. So like anytime it notices someone, I can put like throwing up, anytime it notices someone throwing up, because it's AI. It literally knows what you're talking about. It's not just like, hey, did the developers tell you what this means? It should know what it means. Pet causing damage, any of this. If it noticed any, wild animals is a good one. I like that. Oh, I already reached my limit. So I guess I'll get rid of, pets vomiting's already there. So I'll do, wild animals was a good one. Oh, there you go. I'll add wild animals in there, hit save. So it can't do all of them, as many as you want, which is weird, but it is cool that, it'll give me information about that. Then you got the smart notifications. And smart notifications I have in here so that so the way this works, instead of just getting tons of notifications every time it notices somebody or something, you can come in here and fix that. You can have it so AI will be like not notifying you every single time something happens, only when something important happens. Maybe someone's like lingering around your door or someone picked something up like a package. It will let you know that in here. So like, for instance, I'll choose my doorbell and you get smart notifications on, but then I also have rich notifications. So it'll give you like a little image of whatever the notification is in your notifications on here. Or you can do less interruptions. So you can receive AI analyzed notifications only when an event is detected, minimizing the frequency of notifications and reducing interruptions. So again, one of those annoying things about these security cameras is sometimes it'll be notifying you as something as small as like a leaf blowing or whatever, a cat walking up. Maybe you don't care about those instances. Using less interruptions and smart notifications in tandem will eliminate all that stuff. But even I've noticed just using richer notifications and smart notifications definitely covers that beat of not bugging me as nearly as much with this new AI stuff. So the AI thing's working really well. Going down below, you will see your personalization. So you can turn memory on so that AI adapts to your preferences and history for more relevant and engaging replies. I keep that on. Also recommended video insights. You can keep that on as well. It comes on by default anyway. And then also when you go back to this page, you can see ask about my home. Were any packages delivered? So it's going to check. I'm going to search for this and it should bring up any instances of noticing a package being delivered. Yes, several packages were delivered today. Here are the videos showing package, parcel, shipment, box, carton, and mail deliveries. So the kitchen one, I don't know if you can notice that. That's me bringing in a package to my kitchen. And then you can see the driveway. So we'll check out the driveway one. I'll just tap on this and we can see if this was correct in what it noticed on here. Still thinking. Yep. So it looks like it notices someone bringing up a package, not even delivering, just holding it in their hand, walking up my driveway. So that's really cool. It shows up any instances of this. I can hit view more to see every instance of it. So the AI working really well. And then also when you're just looking at the overall footage, like I'll go again to my doorbell, I'll go into playback and download. And this shows me anytime somebody walked up to my door or delivered a package or anything like that. So basically you can see a person approached the front door, rang the bell and left a delivery notice, which is totally correct. Because when I looked at that, it was UPS trying to deliver a package, but they left a note for me. So it got it completely right. And it will do that for anything in here. It's seriously awesome. It doesn't have to just be deliveries. I can look at my family room camera. And when I'm looking at this, you'll see a person entered, paused by the doorway, then walked down the hall with a dog. So it's very descriptive in what it's talking about, what it's doing, so that you always know anything that's happening. Like, it's honestly really great. And at $200, it's definitely expensive. Is it worth it? For me, completely worth it. Now with Tapo cameras, you don't have to pay for, online storage. You don't have to pay for the AI stuff. You can just put a SD card, micro SD card into the camera and capture your footage and never pay anything more than the purchase of the camera. But for me, I love having the AI stuff. It makes using my cameras a lot better and easier. And I got to admit, it's going to be harder for me to have had this and ever go to something else that doesn't have something just like this. This is very, very helpful. All my footage is stored in the cloud. So if my camera was destroyed or taken, I've got all that backed up. I can grab it. I believe it's up to 365 days of footage. It's a crazy long amount on here. I can always look at my footage on here from so long ago and get it. It's seriously awesome. I love it. And it's so descriptive and helpful. Even if it's $200 a year, for me, it's totally worth it. And I love the Tapo cameras anyway, honestly. They've been working really, really well. They're good with their notification alerts and bringing up the footage and all that. So I'm totally invested into it. I've got to get 2 more cameras. I'm going to switch my floodlight outdoor cameras to these Tapos. I just haven't done it yet. I'm waiting for them to upgrade their floodlight cameras. But otherwise, I would definitely recommend AiReal. It works great. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you guys down the road. Peace.